Hi, this is Dr. Egolum. Today I'm going to talk to you about our dental implant process here at Creekside Oral Surgery and Dental Implants. Your first appointment is going to be typically a consultation appointment. When you come in, you get to meet our friendly staff. We'll go ahead and take you back to our CT room, which essentially is a 3D scan that shows us your jaw in 3 dimensions. We're able to measure the density of your bone to make sure your bone is strong enough for implants. We're also able to see where your nerves and sinus and other vital structures are. That's going to help us with the planning and making sure your surgery goes smoothly without any complications. We then take a lot of photos, and we're not just taking photos for fun, but essentially we want to make sure we're documenting your bite, your smile in different positions, so we can make sure the final teeth that we're going to make for you is going to be aesthetically pleasing to you and exactly what you need, so it's custom fit for your smile. I'll do my clinical examination, I'll review your CT scan in detail, and I'll go over any findings, and if there's sufficient bone and we're able to perform the surgery for you, we'll let you know if you're a candidate for the implant surgery or not. If everything sounds good and you're a great candidate, you like us, and you'd like to have us perform your All-ON-4 dental implant surgery, we will then have you apply for financing. We have multiple companies that we work with that we're typically able to get patients financed as long as they have credit scores of 650 and above. A soft credit pull, so it doesn't affect your credit, and they'll be able to tell us right away if you're approved for financing and how much funding you're going to be able to receive. The next step is to schedule your smile design appointment. So at the smile design, what we do is we take more photos again, but this time we're taking more detailed measurements because now we know you're moving forward to surgery. So we're taking measurements that's going to help us plan your surgery. And we're also communicating this with our lab team. Together, us and the lab will make sure we craft a beautiful smile that's going to be aesthetically pleasing to you and to give you the dream smile that you're looking for. You're also involved in the process while we're designing the smile. You can pick the color, the shape of the teeth, so you're involved every step of the way. Once we finalize the smile design, the next step is the big step, which is to schedule the surgery. So when you come in for the surgery, you'll meet our anesthesia team who will make sure you're safe for surgery, to perform a history and physical exam on you for that day. If everything looks great, then we'll go ahead and get you sedated. We'll perform your surgery, and the surgery typically takes anywhere from 2.5 to 3 hours if you're doing top and bottom jaw. You come back the next day and we'll deliver your perfect smile. It's usually very exciting. We have the whole team present and we get to see your reaction, make sure you love your new smile. And usually most patients are very happy. Some patients are crying. Some are just very grateful and thankful and happy that they did the procedure. They're wondering why they waited so long to get the procedure done. So if you're thinking about All-ON-4 dental implants and you want to get more information, you can call us at 770-764-0840 or comment below and ask any questions that you may have, and I'll be happy to help answer them.